Hi NEET aspirants, today I am going to clear up a very important controversy regarding a question given in NEET 2025 which is confusing NEET aspirants across the country. Let's have a closer look at actual scientific concept. Dear students, here, so this is ovary and this is Graafian follicle. When this Graafian follicle is ruptured, secondary oocyte is released from the ovary. This process is called ovulation. After ovulation, here a yellow body is formed which is called corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes progesterone and relaxin both. Corpus luteum secretes both progesterone and relaxin. So if we say ovary secretes both progesterone and relaxin, this is not wrong. This is not wrong. So ovary secretes relaxin and progesterone. That means corpus luteum secretes progesterone and relaxin. Why? Because here corpus luteum is present inside the ovary. So whether you say corpus luteum secretes progesterone and relaxin or you say ovary secretes progesterone and relaxin, both are same. No difference at all. So this is the actual concept, and let us have a look what is given in our NEET 2025 paper. Here code 45, question number 178, matching type of question. Under list 1, progesterone, relaxin, melanocyte stimulating hormone catecholamines are given. List 2, under list 2, pars intermedia, ovary, adrenal medulla, corpus luteum are given. Progesterone can be matched with corpus luteum, that is A4. Relaxin can be matched with the ovary, B2. So why? Because here in our NCERT it is directly mentioned that in later stages of pregnancy ovary secretes relaxin. So relaxin can be matched with ovary. B2 is correct. C1, melanocyte stimulating hormone with pars intermedia, C1. D3, catecholamines with adrenal medulla, D3. This is correct. But if you look at option 3, that is also correct. How? Let us discuss that one also. Progesterone can be matched with ovary. So what is the evidence for this? So here in our NCERT, under ovarian hormones, progesterone is given. In diagram, menstrual cycle diagram, progesterone is under ovarian hormones. So ovary produces progesterone. So this can be matched. Next, relaxin with corpus luteum, that is B4, A2, B4. But this relaxin and corpus luteum relaxin connection directly not mentioned in NCERT. But from previous year question, one question asked in 2021 NEET exam. The question was about the sources of relaxin. The answer was given corpus luteum. So if any student refers previous year questions, he would get that knowledge. So by that knowledge, he can opt relaxin and corpus luteum. So when relaxin is rightly matched with corpus luteum, B4 is also correct. A2, B4. Remaining C1, C1, D3, D3. Both are correct. So option 1, option 3 both are correct here in this case. Two answers are there for this question. So why? Because corpus luteum, it produces both hormones. That means ovary produces both the hormones. Corpus luteum is present inside the ovary. It is an integral part of ovary. So both can be matched with these both. Progesterone can be matched with this one or this one. Relaxin can be matched with this one or this one. So conceptually it is correct, and on the basis of NTA's previous paper 2021. So on the basis of that also, this can be matched rightly with corpus luteum. So both options are answers for this question. Further, let us discuss the question asked in 2021. Now see here, so code M1, question number 193, code M1, question number 193 in NEET 2021. The question reads like this: which of the following secretes the hormone relaxin during the later phase of pregnancy? Graphene follicle, corpus luteum, fetus, uterus. So the answer given for this one by NTA in its official key. So if a student refers the previous year question, corpus luteum relaxin connection is established correctly. So he can opt corpus luteum and relaxin also for matching type. The question asked in 2025. Furthermore, in 2025 question, matching type question, when codes are changed, the options also jumbled. In such case, and what would happen, let us discuss about that also. Here the same question, but code is 48, question number 97. So this student opted option 1. So according to this, progesterone with ovary, relaxin with corpus luteum, melanocyte stimulating hormone with pars intermedia, catecholamines with adrenal medulla. So in this case, this student under pressure to save the time, he or she opted option 1. So this is also correct. Scientifically, logically, on the basis of NEET 2021, so this is correct. So this student should not lose the marks. So he has every right to get marks for this particular option also. So here, according to some people, only 4 will be the answer, correct answer. But by all means, this is also correct answer. 1 also correct answer for this. So both should be considered as correct answer. Here in the case of code 48, question number 97, 1 and 4 both are correct for this. So here, this is the proof from our NCERT. Ovarian hormones, progesterone. So that means ovary produces progesterone. Ovary produces progesterone. Progesterone is ovarian hormone. Here one more proof is there from our NCERT. Here it is clearly mentioned, in the later phase of pregnancy, a hormone called relaxin is also secreted by ovary. So relaxin and progesterone both are ovarian hormones. How they become ovarian hormones? Because corpus luteum is present inside the ovary. It produces both progesterone and relaxin. So both are ovarian hormones. From other authentic references, we can support our argument. So from Gaitan and Hall, the textbook of medical physiology. Here in Gaitan and Hall, medical physiology, it is clearly mentioned that relaxin by ovaries. And furthermore, if you read, here it is mentioned clearly, corpus luteum. A hormone called relaxin is secreted by the corpus luteum. That means corpus luteum secreting it. Here it is secretion of relaxin by ovaries. Ovaries means corpus luteum. This is clear. Now, Ganang's review of medical physiology. Here in Ganang's medical physiology, relaxin is a polypeptide hormone that is produced in the corpus luteum. Here, one more Evidence. Medical Physiology by G.K. Paul. See here, under ovarian hormones, it is clearly stated that ovary secretes estrogens, progesterones, inhibins and relaxin. So this one, we have to focus. So that means corpus luteum present in ovary, it produces progesterone, relaxin, that means ovary produces these two. Again from the same book, G.K. Paul, relaxin source, it is clearly mentioned, relaxin is secreted from corpus luteum. Another proof, Essentials of Medical Physiology by Shambulingam. In this book, it is clearly mentioned, relaxin is secreted from maternal ovary, in brackets, corpus luteum. So inside the ovary, corpus luteum is present, that secretes relaxin. So from these sources, so it is very clear that for that question, that is question number 178, code 45, there are two options as correct answers. First option and third option both are correct for that question 178, code number 45. So this is all about my analysis about that question. Scientifically as well as logically, there must be two options as correct answers. I hope NTA will consider this request and will do justice to the student community. So I request NTA please maintain clarity, certainty and consistency in our questions. If you accept corpus luteum as a specific source of relaxin in one paper that was given in 2021, the same should be reflected in other questions also, whether the question may be matching type or the statement type or anything else. If not, students as well as teacher community face unnecessary confusion during preparation as well as teaching also. And all the NEET aspirants, let's claim for two answers for that question and you have every right to raise your objections. Lastly, if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and coaching groups and let's raise this on academic grounds but not as a complaint. Thank you very much.